Hello, my name is Ingrid Marcela Ordóñez Barbosa. Eh, I speak Ecopetrol, about Ecopetrol. This company contributes to pollution because it is known that all dedicated companies to the production of petroleum are the biggest pollutant. One of their activities is exploitation and transport of hydrocarbons, but not only that, the oil spills and waste generated by these activities. Some officials are that Ecopetrol is one of the companies responsible of global emissions. For the reasons the company can think only in the money that they win, but also in the environment, and think that it's time to do something and find a solution to decrease the impact to the planet. Create new technologies for drilling oil will for drilling oil wells, especially with drilling fluids, using lighter, more degraded and less polluting components, using natural compounds using raw material such as coconut, shell, natural palm oils, and mixture of plant extract. Thank you. Thank you.